Good afternoon, everybody. Quick press release on SCPH and GROY, both releasing their financial statements today. I believe it's after market close. Gold Royalty Corp show real positive press releases with notes of revenue growth or record revenue growth. So we're just going to quickly look at the chart at the moment. And what we notice, if we just zoom out, and I'll lock that in place so we can see what we're looking at. What we notice is the key areas of interest at the moment is between the $1.20 and the $1.60 area. We've set already a long position on this stock once it breaks above $1.60. There's no real traffic ahead of $1.60, but at the moment there is heavy traffic in front of this with regards to shorts and sellers trying to fight for position. But what we have found is the RSI is growing quite rapidly, in the region of 60% at the moment, and the volume weighted average price, the anchored volume weighted average price for the financial year and the mid-season are both below price, support on price, along with the 50-day moving average. So we're just going to go into the daily chart and have a look what's been going on the day. And as you can see, it is quite clear it really is pushing for the $1.60 mark. So we suspect if it does break above $1.60 with the positive news that it releases in the past couple of weeks and months, and also in relation to the earnings report today, we open that it will release a positive outcome for its estimation on revenue. We're hoping it beats that, and potentially it may release an earnings per share report as well. So that's GROY. SCPH, again, with this stock, it's quite the opposite. So it's below the 50-day moving average. It's below the anchored volume weighted average price for the financial year and the mid-season. But what we are finding is there is strong support. At the moment, it's in the oversold area of 38%, and it's been like that for a good number of days. In fact, let's have a look at the weekly chart. And for a number of weeks, it's been in or around 50% to 30% oversold, and it has been declining. But if the news that they're releasing is to be true, we suspect that there will be a turnaround on this stock. Analysts are saying $15 per share eventually. I can't see it personally, but we're just going to monitor it today. Let's go back to a daily chart on this one. We're just going to monitor today, and what we're hoping to happen is that the stock today will break above the 50-day moving average of $3.30, and then it will continue on upwards towards the moving average, or anchored volume weighted average price, I should say, around the $3.80 over the next coming week. And if it does continue to do so, then realistically the only next sort of traffic area is going to be around the $5 mark. So we predict that this, or we estimate, I should say, that this should carry on rising if it releases positive outcomes today on its reports. Thanks for listening.